friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is All Things Christmas. Our host is Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Craft along with Jay. Please check out their channels and the amazing creators in the playlist. Today we are working on All Things Grinch. 3 Grinch DIYs. I hope you enjoy. Use a lime tree. It's an apple barrel color. And we're going to paint our glass. And we'll probably have to do at least 2 coats. You want to make sure you get that bottom. But remember, you want it to look furry, so a little streaking, it doesn't matter that much. Because it's supposed to be fur. Okay, we're gonna let that dry, and then we'll definitely have to do another coat. Okay, if you have a Cricut, this is the time you cut out your face to put on your candle holder. If not, if you have a small child, you can use their thumb and make a heart shape on it to make the Grinch's bottom. I don't have either, so I'm going to just paint on a heart. We're gonna make it a Grinch bottom candle holder. But if you had a grandchild or a child, it would be cute to have their thumbprint as the heart on your Grinch candle holder. But I don't, so we just painted a heart. Okay, here is our finished little Grinchy thing. We just gotta add some ribbon trim. We got some Grinchy ribbon. It's a rainy day here in Ohio when I'm doing this video. So the dogs is kind of they can't go outside and play. Okay, let's when I cut this, I always brush the hair in one direction, so you're not losing a bunch of hair or fur, whatever you want to call it. And then I cut it. Need to leave the more glue. You could put some up here too if you wanted to. I may not, I don't know. I may put a little tuft up there. Let's see. I might as well go for it. Might as well go for it. You know, if you've been on my page long enough, you know, some projects I do kind of over embellish. Okay, here is our Grinch candle holder. And the other is a Santa candle holder. I did it in a previous video. But this is my Grinch candle holder. I think it'd be cute on a Grinch table or a mantle. And like I said, you could have your grandchild or child do the thumbprints on there, which would make a special memory anytime you pulled it out for Christmas. Let me know what you think about my Grinchy. Okay, we're gonna make a bow, and I'm gonna probably do an exaggerated bow for the top of our Christmas ornament. I'll retrim that, but I'm gonna add a little pipe cleaner on here just to make sure this bow stays, and then we'll cover it. I just want to make sure it's not going anywhere. And then we'll adjust the loops. And we'll trim this off. Okay, start off by adding a little hot glue here. And I'll trim it on right there. Now I'm going to go back And make sure our points are crisp. Here's our bow. Now we're gonna get our green fuzzy stuff. And I was using a carpet cleaner. I don't know where it went. Carpet knife. I don't know where it went. Okay, found it, used a carpet knife and cut off a piece of our green fur. I'm gonna just push it down into the ornament. Just like that. Let's struggle to get our cap back on. Those things they're always the worst. Okay, now you can order these on Amazon. And they're pre-made faces for the Grinch, which is perfect if you're doing a Grinch tree. Or you're giving away Grinch ornaments for Christmas, because you know you can't sell these because they're copyright. Okay, now let's add our Grinch face to our ornament. Wow, that sticker didn't do very well. It crinkled bad. Hopefully you do better than I do at the sticker, because it didn't, it crinkled pretty bad. I'm just tying a knot at the end. Okay, now add your dot of glue. And add your bow. Okay, I found these on Amazon. You're supposed to put your silverware in these, which I thought was kind of different. But we're going to use these to make a little Grinchy ornament. This is a piece of our green fur. And then I'm going to add a little string so we can hang this on our tree. Just turn this over. We're going to add our string. And we'll trim the ends. There's our little ornament. He needs a little bit more glue. Your nose keeps wanting to fall. Okay, here is our first Grinch ornament. And this is our second. Tell me which one you like best. And now that it's on the tree, I don't see the wrinkles quite as much.